Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous truck. It's very rare, one of 250 produced. 1995 25th anniversary Range Rover. We got Charlie here, who's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are you doing today, Charlie?
Very good, thank you.
Man, another nice car.
Hey.
It's got the rib here. Nice collection. So what makes this truck special?
Well, I bought it, I'm going to say about 5 years ago. And I have actually, it depends on where you want to go. Right?
Yeah.
We put new fogs and we put the new breaker bar. What do you call this bar?
Brush bar.
Brush bar. We even have the rubber bumper pieces, which
wow.
try to find anywhere in the world.
That's an OEM piece.
Yeah.
Where the heck did you find that?
It was a long story, but we got it.
Wow.
We also, in the interior, we took the original Range Rover radio out, had the speaker redone.
Oh, wow.
And had the CD changer redone. Left it in the box after it was restored, and we have that separate put in the garage.
So now you have a custom stereo.
So now we have a custom Bluetooth,
wow.
hands-free radio, hands-free talk, Pioneer,
with all the goodies.
Speakers in the door and up in the roof liner.
Wow, back there too. Looks like you upgraded the interior lights to LED as well.
Oh, the car was completely LED. All the lights are LED. We took the seats and we sanded all the seats. These seat covers you cannot get, especially in this color. And we had all the seats redone.
Yeah, these are
seats
gorgeous seat covers.
Like brand new. I mean, I could show you this one, but I'm better off showing you the
even
front.
the armrests are covered.
The armrests are covered. All new floor mats with plastic to cover them.
You cut that and made that?
Cut that, made that. Here, take a look at this. Is what all the seats look like. In the entire car.
Oh, brand freaking new.
See?
Wow. Gorgeous.
The whole car is like this.
And these are waterproof covers, super high end.
Oh yeah. We did that in case we went to the beach. Wherever. They took it
to the beach.
I never took it to the beach. Now here's another interesting fun fact.
I love fun facts.
All the wood was taken out of the car, and even on the door panels everywhere, and sent to Madera in California, where they redid, sanded, and lacquered every piece of wood in the car.
Wow. Oh my God. You even have the custom mats up here.
Custom embroidered. They all say 25th anniversary on them.
Oh my God, look at that.
The one in the back.
Sheesh.
Okay. The one in the back, and I also put this so you don't ruin the carpet.
Of course.
But in the one in the back
also,
25th anniversary too.
There's no owner's manual?
There is an owner's manual.
Man, this thing is like brand new.
Yeah.
I've never in my life seen one so nice.
Yeah. This gets hooked up.
Also mechanical work you've done too, right? A lot. Water pump.
All this was completely redone. This is
beautiful.
New
Vinyl.
Vinyl. These are new pistons. Though I might tell you that I have a brand new hatch in the box from the UK in the back store.
Oh my God, that's included? Right?
Breaker cages on the tail lights. Again,
these seat covers are fantastic.
Oh yeah, all the seats look
Wow.
great.
Beautiful.
I put these on them. I mean, it takes about a half hour to take them all off. You want them pictures all off?
Well, it's a collector item. I can't imagine anyone taking them off.
Yep.
So 104,410 miles.
Right, check engine light goes off. That goes off when you drive the car.
SRS.
SRS.
That's
if you,
you know,
want
they
to
all
spend
have
$4,000
it.
to $5,000.
Yeah, fixing it. It's gonna come on anyway.
Right.
It is what it is.
Cup holders.
Oh, you got the cup phone.
Yep.
WeatherTech cup phone.
Got the cup phone.
Man, this wood is fantastic.
Yeah, that's all brand new.
It's the first one I've ever seen where it's not cracked.
Not a crack. It's all brand new.
And the buttons, the switches, everything. Even
Everything
the clock works.
Yeah, your sunroof works.
The same switch as my 1995 BMW. That is beautiful. Huge, too.
No leaks.
Wow, that's so nice. You know that? That's the same switch as my 95 BMW.
Is it?
Yep.
Here's your hands-free mic.
Ah, super nice. Gorgeous. The Hellas work too. Those are badass.
Hellas work.
Let's check it under the hood.
Okay.
Factory tow package.
Yep. The rims, by the way, have been restored.
The rims.
Yep.
Tires, plenty of juice on them too.
Just scuff on the rims.
Love the doors. They shut like a tank.
Yeah.
You know. Beautiful truck, gosh. I don't think that you could ever find a nicer one than this.
I haven't seen one. Hold on, you gotta hit that. There we go.
Wow, look at the washer. That's like a gallon and a half.
Yeah.
There it is, 4.2 liter V8. Runs nice, huh?
Yeah. Looks good. An LED hood light.
Wow. New padding under here as well.
Yep.
So what'd you do to the motor? New water pump? Nothing? New cap?
We
wire?
reconditioned it, we painted it, you know, we detailed it all over.
Yeah.
We put a new rotor and distributor in it, basically.
New wires, new plugs.
New wires, new plugs. New ABS.
Oh, wow.
Big, expensive item right there.
Yeah, it is. Did you have to get that from the United Kingdom?
I did.
Wow. Man, what a pretty truck. Guess if you're looking for a new silver anniversary, where else you gonna go?
I don't know. I mean, it's got all the original stickers that came go. It's got even the safety sticker in the back.
The what? Oh, yeah. Cool.
Never been hit.
Beautiful paint. Obviously been repainted, right? In the original color.
Yeah.
That's pretty. So classic, you know?
Yeah, I mean, there's not much. I also have the bottom, what do you call that? The piece with the cogs on, the bottom cogs.
Balance?
This piece here,
Yeah. Oh, that piece.
got a brand new in the box. I got a second one.
Wow.
I have a second one of those. Believe it or not, I have a second pair of these. And I have a second one of these.
Get out of here.
Yeah.
Wow.
Pretty
Probably the
simple,
last
right?
one in the world, bro. That's cool. Very cool. Well, guys,
Great.
you got a full folder with all kinds of receipts too, right?
I have a full folder with whatever receipts I do have. I do. I mean, you can see hot work.
Yeah. Very cool.
This is a soft ash, they call it, right?
The color is called, the interior is called soft ash?
Yeah, the interior dashboard is called soft ash.
Oh.
This year, the last year, plowing for this model, well, it's got an airbag on the passenger side.
Not on the driver?
And the driver.
Oh, and the driver.
That's the SRS.
95, yeah.
Yeah.
Very cool. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give us a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. And thanks, Charlie.
And by the way, just
Yeah.
as an end, the power, the side view windows,
Yeah.
door windows, they fold, they automatic fold, fold in.
Oh,
They work.
anything else you want to add?
There's really nothing that doesn't work. The whole car was, all of these were replaced. I have brand new ones.
Oh, the
The
corners.
rubber corners. There's no scuff scratches.
Air works.
Air works.
Beautiful. All right, give us a call, guys. 631-339-0399. Thanks a lot.